Washington County Commission Chair Gil Almquist did the honors of swearing in two newly elected positions filling vacancies. Adam Snow took his oath of office, replacing former County Commissioner Dean Cox, who passed away on July 7th.
And we have both celebrated his name and also his service to the county for well over 30 years.
Snow said he was asked by Cox to fill his void prior to his passing. He will take over many of his committees, including the HCP. Snow is looking forward to paving his own way in areas he has knowledge in.
My experience through Congressman Stewart on a lot of the natural resource issues, Zion National Park, the Lake Powell Pipeline, working with the Department of the Interior on several things, endangered species and other things that affect the county through growth, which is obviously a major issue, but water, economic development, tourism, growth, those are all things I've worked on extensively. Catastrophic wildfire, roads and access to public lands, land use management through all of the federal agencies that own so much of Washington County. So I've done all those things for years now. I've been the guy that the county has called when they needed help. So those are some of the things that I'm looking to tackle while I serve.
Susan Lewis was also sworn in as the county's new clerk auditor. Lewis has worked with Kim Hafen as the internal auditor for the past 5 years and will now take over for him.
The Republican Party said, okay, yeah, you do know what the budget is already here at the county. You already do run the audits. We've had clean audits for years. And I'm the one that's the liaison, or have been, with external auditors. Yeah, the things that the job entails, I've already been doing them for years.
Hafen, who retired June 30th, has held the position for the past 13 years. He has always left the county with a balanced budget by creating a surplus, which will now be used to build a new county building.
With this new building, all the departments are kicking in money for their fair share of the space. So the majority of the money is coming from what we've saved in the general fund, but all the departments, all the funds that are going to be housed there, they're going to pay their share.
And although she's not ready yet, Lewis has ideas on making county services more accessible.
To have people, like when they come to get their passports and marriage licenses, if they could do some of that online. You know, they're like, hey, can we schedule a time online? And that's just not really a service we've offered in the past. But we're looking towards those kind of things to be more outreach, more available for the public.
Both Lewis and Hafen believe the county's election process and mail-in ballot elections are 100% safe and effective.
I believe that by-mail elections are fair, they're accurate, they're honest, and I believe that's the case in Washington County, and I believe that's the case in every county in Utah.
Hafen says he doesn't have any long-term plans for his retirement as of yet.
Good, but I've just been retired a month, so I've got time to think about where that's going. I'm almost 70. I'll be 70 my next birthday, and I'm getting old and cranky here in the office. They're glad to see me go. So I'm back helping with elections a little bit now with the municipal elections. So they're letting me back. I really don't know too much about it, but I know how to run the slitter that opens the envelopes.
In Washington County, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.